Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Awais Adil. I am a owner of this Awais Palace Function Hall. This function hall has been established in the year of 2006, and we have the capacity in the function hall about 2,500 people. As well as there is a huge space of the parking, as well as the car. And on the ground floor there is one hall is there, and first floor for the dining hall, second floor for the ladies sitting hall. As well as we have about 3 lifts. 3 lifts we do have, and we have the staff about 8 people, and we are trying to serve very best to the customers, and we are take care of each and everyone. And we hope that all the people, wherever they are listening to me, they will give the opportunity to us to accommodate and to do the function with us, and as well as to visit at least to our areas, to see our function hall, how we are giving the services. For that you have to give at least one time opportunity to do the best for you. We have the specialty in our function hall that we are having about 3 lifts. One lift for 14 passenger, other lift for 12 passenger, and the other one for the gents about 6 passenger. So all the lifts would be working during the function time. As well as we have the guards for parking and to take care for every vehicle, and to arrange the 2-wheelers as well as the 4-wheelers as per the circumstances. We try to tackle it. Our function hall capacity is about, each hall is having about 10,000 SFT. We do have 4 halls like this. The total area will be about 40,000 SFT. And in one time, the capacity for the dining in each hall, about 750 people can take the dinner in one time. If you take the 3 rounds or 4 rounds, it will be about 2,800 people can be taking the dinner in 4 rounds. Each round will take maximum 1 hour time. Our function hall rates are also very competitive. Compared to the other function halls, you will get the very lowest rates and the best services in the same amount. And we don't want much profit. We need only just the average profit in each functions. Thank you very much.